how to crop video in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you crop a video using CapCut PC. So let's get started. First, as you have to open CapCut application on your PC or laptop. After you open CapCut, from there you'll have to just add any video whom you want to crop. Simply I am selecting this random video by dragging it on my project. Alright, after you add some video on here, you'll get this type of interface. From here, to crop this video, you'll have to click on crop icon. It will just appear at the right at the top of your video. Simply click on that crop icon. After you click on that crop icon, you'll be able to find the cropping or editing section. From here, you can manually crop your video like this. Okay, select your path where you want to crop that video. After you select or finalize that, click and confirm at the bottom right. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully cropped that video using crop tools in CapCut. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.